In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert currencies on PayPal. We'll walk through the entire process from inside your PayPal account, step by step, so you know exactly where to click and what to look out for. By the end, you'll be able to switch money from one currency to another with confidence. Start by logging into your PayPal account using your usual details. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. At the top of this page, you'll see your available PayPal balance. Just below that balance, look for a button labeled Manage Money. Go ahead and click that. A drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, select View Money page. This will take you to a more detailed view of your balances and currencies. On the Money page, scroll until you see the section that lists your different currencies. This is where PayPal shows each currency you currently hold, along with the amount you have in each one. Take a moment to identify the currency you want to convert from. On the right side of that particular currency, you should see a button labeled Convert Currency. Click this button. The page will reload and you'll be taken to the conversion screen. Here, PayPal will first ask you to choose the currency you want to convert from if it isn't already selected. Then, you'll need to type in the amount you want to convert. Just below that, choose the currency you want to convert to. After you select the target currency, wait a moment for the page to refresh and display the conversion details. You should now see how much that amount will be in the new currency, along with the current exchange rate and any fees included in that rate. When everything looks correct, click Next to move on. The page will reload again, and this time you'll see a review screen. This is your chance to double check all the details before confirming. Make sure the From currency and the To currency are correct. Verify the amount you're converting, and confirm that the converted amount is what you expect. If everything looks good, click the Convert button. The page will reload one last time and you'll see a confirmation message stating that you've successfully converted your chosen amount and showing the currency you converted to. Your new balance in that currency should now be updated on your Money page.